Hi, in front of me is WIKO Y60 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this WIKO device. First of all, go into menu, locate clock and tap on it. Then you need to click on this clock icon at the bottom left corner and tap on this blue button over here. Now set up an hour and when you're done, click OK. From here, you can click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on Label. Label your alarm however you need to, and when you're done, save your changes by tapping OK. Now go into this bell icon over here by clicking on it. And from here, you can choose one of the sounds as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also tap on Add New and select music from your device. If you want to set it up, just go back. Now, in order to pick days of the week, tap on Repeat and select them by leaving only the ones that you want to set up, so I will go with Monday. Now click on this icon over here, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. And if you want to delete it, just click on this icon over here under the switcher and tap on the bin icon with delete on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!